Start the tunnel, start the office, don't bother the guys.
That's right. That's right. Don't do any of that. You know why? What did I do?
Now we're getting the elite membership.
I'm not getting membership. You know what? Okay. We want the elite membership. I got a towel.
Sorry?
I picked up a towel down there.
Oh, okay. That's,
Stop.
for recharge rate, what we require signing for each month?
Can you sign up for the 3rd?
I'm sorry?
Could you put it on the 3rd of each month?
Unfortunately, it signs up
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. It'll work.
He's getting a membership.
Yes, I do. Put it with.
always change that too.
Okay.
We can always change it that way, but we can always do it. And even if I don't want it this time, we can do it for one time only.
Yeah, because it sprays all over the car.
I mean, it looks really nice.
You're
but,
right.
Yeah, if you get too much, it just looks horrible.
It goes there.
What's good phone number for you?
785 404 764 44.
Do you want one on the windshield as well? Or no?
Yeah, you can put one on the windshield.
Okay, I'll have to get you those things.
I'll quit taking it off.
I'm sorry?
I need to quit taking it off. Because he's a regular. It hasn't been on there for a while, I don't think.
Yeah, yes, he's getting the membership.
Canceling the trip.
After tax. That's got one free air pressure each time that you come through. Would you like one of those today?
Give me the new car one.
Stickers on and go. The one on the windshield, do you want it up top or down below?
I'd rather have it down here.
Down below?
Yeah.
That would have to think I wasn't really goes really high anyways. I didn't look too far out.
Yeah, you're going to stick it right there.
That's where the other one was.
And then would you mind popping your door open? Oh yeah, that's inside.
If you guys would just hire him, I wouldn't have to come here every day.
Hey
Maybe
guys.
you're welcome mat at the end of the
Right? That would
Hey.
be awesome if we could.
Hi guys.
But I don't
Yeah,
know if you know about the...
It's spinning
Just a
in the
second.
tunnel car wash.
Right. There's a place that helps out with jobs and whatnot. We used to work with them.
Is that OCCK?
I honestly don't know.
That-
But they help with...
He's out at OCCK. They always tell me that they don't have enough people because he would have to have somebody with him until he got used to what was going on. And then he could do it on his own. But until they get somebody like
Because
one-on-one.
a long time ago, we had the same. We had someone that came with somebody
Yeah.
for a while until they got used to it, and then they were by themselves.
Yeah.
I mean, we can't do it here at our location because we're not busy enough, but
See, that's what he needs.
maybe the other location.
He, Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. See, look at her. We got names. Ali names. Yes, so we're working so the one in the truck.
Yeah, I'm gonna cancel the truck. I don't like it anyways. I like this one better than the one out there. I like this one a lot better.
That shirt, your color white. Tell me what was wrong here. Is that I did the office? Is that the tunnel? Don't bother the guys.